Hi everybody. Today I wanted to try out a few more DIY laser bed ideas. A bit of a laser bed showdown. So I've created a few different options and I think you'll be surprised to which one I think works best in the end. As usual, I did a quick baseline just to have something to compare with. First up is a wire bed. It's a basic frame with screws that I can wind the wire around. Okay, seems to have worked fairly well. Nice clean cut and all the way through. No visible damage on the wires themselves. Yeah, so not too bad. Next I wanted to try a spiked laser bed. I made this by creating these huge staple-like shapes and pushing it through a piece of cork. Yeah, I know, not pretty, but we'll see how it does. Not that great. Some areas it didn't cut through. There's some markings on the actual bed as well. Next up is a plain white ceramic tile. Oh, it creates a duplicate. The cut itself is actually pretty good, nice and clean. But there's some residue on the tile. It does seem like it can be wiped off though. In my previous test I was not able to cut white acrylic, so I thought why not try that as a bed. Similar to the tile, there seems to be a bit of residue left. The cut itself seems pretty good though. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna buff out. So if a white tile works and white acrylic kinda works, why not try printing a white bed? This was just printed in white PLA. Okay, the cut looks pretty good. And there's no visible damage on the printed PLA bed itself. Okay, just comparing final results and picking my winner. The nail bed was probably the worst in this test. I think it just doesn't create a stable enough platform. As you can see, some areas didn't even cut through at all. The wire bed was fairly decent, but I do think if I scale this up, it would have the same issue as the spike bed. The printed bed, to me, was the winner. It's got a really good clean cut. It should be easily scalable, and it's quite stable and very easy to make. As far as impromptu solutions go, I think the ceramic tile would be my second choice. You can literally get them anywhere, and you don't even need a 3D printer to create one. The cut is nice and clean without any burning. It does leave a bit of residue on the tile itself, but you should be able to wipe that off easily. With the white acrylic sheet, the cut itself is actually not too bad, but the markings on the acrylic sheet is pretty much permanent. The metal grid I used last time actually works pretty well, but it's not the easiest to make. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.